In this video, I'll show you how to use an optical cable to set up your Bose soundbar with your TV. So let's get started right away. If you don't have an optical cable, I'll put a link in the description towards Amazon where you can purchase one. Basically, the first step is to take the small protector from the tip of this optical cable, go on the back of your soundbar, and one of the ports should be optical in. This is where we need to take this cable and connect it. Make sure to push it all the way in. And if it doesn't work, it probably means that you need to turn your cable on the other way until it fits properly. Okay, I'm inside, but you really need to press so it clicks. And when you move it around, it doesn't disconnect. Then go on the back of your television and we need to find one of the port that is called optical digital audio out, or sometimes it just says optical out. Take the other end, remove the protector and connect it. Again, make sure it clicks in place. Next, we're gonna press, if your remote control looks like mine, you're gonna press on the TV button, just like this once while pointing towards the soundbar, and you should see over here that it says switch to TV mode. Next, you're going to take your TV remote control and we need to go into the settings. On this LG TV, I'll press the settings button right over here. On your TV, it may be slightly different. The important thing is that we need to go into sound out option. And then I'll switch. As you see here right now, it's in Bluetooth speaker, but that's not what I want. I'll select optical out. And the audio came out automatically out of the soundbar now. It doesn't come out of the speakers anymore. On some TV, you'll also be able to switch so that the audio comes out of the soundbar and out of the TV as well. Once you're done, you can switch off your TV. And unfortunately, this, again, by using the optical cable, it will not switch off your soundbar automatically. Fortunately enough, Bose has a feature included in most soundbars where you can set up automatic on and automatic off simply by pointing this remote control and pressing 3 seconds on the power button. So let me do it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now every time I switch on the TV and it senses that there's some audio coming out, well, it will turn on the soundbar, and after a while the TV is turned off, it will shut it down so it saves some power. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you in the next video.